Okay, the change of the Desmon Italian fridge with this switch closes and opens the fans. What's interesting about it, there's always the phase, and they play with the minus, with the zero. Have to know that. Now I need to change both fans because they've burned for some reason, and the way to do that is open those two screws, because otherwise you cannot get to the full screw of this fan. Then open those 4 screws, those 2, those 4 of course, and those 2 for the pan. And then this plate will come off, and this one will stay on. You don't have a problem because you've got this fan is already out. By opening this, you'll get to the electrical connections of the fans, and good luck to me.